In this video, we begin looking at what are called systems of equations. A system of equations is simply a set of two or more equations that share a common variable. These common variables we then try to solve for in order to find a way that the solutions fit both, or however many there are, equations. There are three scenarios that can arise. The first one is probably the one you're most familiar with. This is called a consistent system. And notice here the lines cross at one point. There is one solution, and it will be an ordered pair x, y. If you solve this using equations, you will get one value for x and you will get one value for y. The second type of system you see is what's called an inconsistent system. And notice here the lines are parallel and never cross. In this case, there are no solutions. And if you were solving this algebraically, you might end up with something like 3 equals -2. We know this is never true, so there are no solutions. And the third type of system is something where we end up with a system that is consistent and dependent. And in this case, there are infinitely many solutions, as any point on the line will work. Solving these algebraically, you end up with something like 3 equals 3, which is always true, so there are infinitely many solutions. In our next couple videos, we will look at several ways to solve these systems algebraically.